Hey there, business superstars. Welcome back to our channel, where we serve up the freshest and juiciest tips to help you thrive in the world of entrepreneurship. Today, we have a topic that's essential for your success: choosing the right supplier. Now, I know it can feel overwhelming with so many options out there, but fear not. We're here to guide you through the supplier selection process like a pro. So, buckle up and get ready to elevate your procurement game. But first, let's take a moment to understand the supplier sourcing journey. It's like embarking on an exciting adventure, full of twists and turns. From identifying your needs to evaluating potential suppliers, each step is crucial to finding the perfect fit for your business. And hey, it's not just about luck. By adopting a structured approach, you increase your chances of success and make the process a breeze. Step 1, folks. Identifying your needs and setting clear objectives. Take some time to assess your business requirements. Do you need a specific product, service, or raw material? Knowing what you want will help you define your evaluation criteria. Oh, and don't forget those unique factors that matter to you, like sustainability or ethical practices. Stay true to your values, my friends. Step 2, let's dive into market research. Get your detective gear on, folks. Investigate the market landscape and gather those valuable insights. Industry trends, supplier capabilities, pricing structures, you name it. Tap into your network for recommendations, attend industry events, and become a knowledge sponge. The more you know, the better your decision-making superpowers become. Step 3, let's craft an irresistible RFP. Think of it as a golden ticket for potential suppliers to showcase their skills. Include all the nitty-gritty details about your requirements, expectations, and evaluation criteria. Oh, and don't forget to establish a clear timeline. Transparency is the name of the game, folks. Step 4, buckle up for the evaluation process. Create a standardized scoring system, involve your team, and be as objective as possible. Visit supplier sites, request samples, get up close and personal, my friends. Remember, finding the perfect fit is like finding your business soulmate. Take your time, and let those sparks fly. You found the one, the supplier of your dreams. But wait, the journey doesn't end here, my savvy entrepreneurs. Building long-lasting relationships is vital. Treat your suppliers like an extension of your business, with respect and understanding. Communicate openly, collaborate, and invest in maintaining that spark. Trust me, it's worth it. Now that we've mastered the sourcing journey, let's explore different strategies. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all approach. You've got options, my friends. From single sourcing to multi-sourcing and strategic alliances, each strategy has its unique advantages. Find the one that aligns best with your business needs and goals. It's like choosing the perfect flavor for your ice cream cone. Technology, the secret ingredient to staying ahead of the curve. Supplier management software is here to save the day. It streamlines the sourcing process and enhances decision-making. Embrace the power of purchasing software, my tech-savvy entrepreneurs, and watch your procurement journey soar. But wait, there's more. Let's dig deeper into some key considerations when selecting suppliers. Financial stability, it's like the bedrock of a healthy relationship. Assess their stability through due diligence, review financial statements, and credit ratings. Let's build that rock-solid foundation. Insurance coverage is often overlooked but crucial. Protect yourself from potential risks by verifying your supplier's insurance. Let's make sure we've got all the safety nets in place. Capacity to deliver, oh, it's a big one. Evaluate their production capabilities, lead times, and scalability. You want a supplier that can handle your needs like a boss, now and in the future. Gear up for success. Teamwork makes the dream work, right? Assess a supplier's organizational structure and key personnel. Look for those red flags or opportunities for collaboration. It's like assembling your Avengers team for the ultimate business mission. Watch out for subcontracting risks. It's like navigating a potential obstacle course. Learn how to ascertain and handle those risks like a pro. Open communication, transparency, performance monitoring, these are the secret ingredients. Nurture those relationships, my business superheroes, and watch them flourish. And there you have it, folks. We've covered all the essential ingredients for a masterful supplier selection journey. By adopting a structured approach, conducting thorough research, and nurturing those relationships, you'll be the superhero of procurement in no time. Remember, my fellow entrepreneurs, stay optimistic and open-minded throughout the journey.